I like to take pictures and make time lapses.
And I like to take pictures of my dad looking ridiculous, which is most of the time.
A fun thing to do is take long exposure pictures. To get a long exposure, you leave the camera shutter open for a long period of time so that the sensor can capture as much light as possible. I do this to take pictures of the stars and other things in the night sky.
Sometimes you take a lot of pictures, and I mean a lot.
If you take enough pictures from the same perspective and string them together, you can actually see the stars in the night sky move. This is what's called a time lapse, and these are comprised of sometimes hundreds of pictures. It takes 30 pictures just to create 1 second of video.
It's cool to see the night sky, but I thought you were going to talk about star trails.
That's the first part. When you take hundreds of pictures and stack them on top of each other in an editor, you can see the motion of the stars. In our hemisphere, if you point the camera due north, something neat happens. The path of the stars shows up, and that path is circular.
That's kind of cool.
It is, and by observing it, you can tell a couple of things. The circular path shows that rotation is occurring, and that means one of two things. Either the sky is rotating around Earth, or Earth is rotating in space. And this is a concept that was controversial for a long time.
We know the Earth rotates.
We know that now. But it wasn't until 1515 that Nicholas Copernicus proposed that the universe didn't revolve around Earth, the idea known as the geocentric model. Copernicus believed that Earth revolved around the sun. This idea is known as the heliocentric model. According to NASA's Earth Observatory, that idea didn't catch on till the 1600s when Galileo used a telescope and observed that Jupiter was orbited by moons and Venus had phases like our moon. Both of these would not happen in a system where everything revolves around Earth. Perspective is key. When you look up and see the sky moving, but nothing on Earth moving around you, that perspective can trick you into thinking that you're the center of the universe. Back then, if they could witness Earth moving instead of the stars, they would have caught on a lot sooner to what we know now. That Earth rotates and makes an annual trip around the sun, and that's why we see the stars move in the night sky.
How can people do this without expensive camera equipment?
You don't need an expensive camera to do this. With most newer phones, cameras come with a Pro mode that allow you to let more light into the camera sensor on your phone.
Stay Copernicus.
Reporting from home.
I'm Ray Petelin.
And I'm meteorologist Ray Petelin.
Strike a pose. We'll be deleting that.